Xbox 360 remote. When you push the button and you have the battery pack with batteries in it and want to turn on, this is something you can do. Here's the batteries. This is something I did. Right here. I got a paper clip. Let's see. Okay, paper clip. And put it in this format right here. And all I did was stick this where the batteries go, like that. Now all I did was slide in the battery like that. Batteries, remote, stick this in here, turn it around, and push this button. Let's see. There we go. And it comes on. So, there's a paper clip right there. So, stick it back in there. And it comes on.